Welcome to Zoomers RV of Wabash, Indiana. This is the new 2020 Jayco North Point 387 FBTS. As you can see, there are beautiful LED lights on the front cap of this front bathroom fifth wheel. This fifth wheel has a luxury package and generator prep. Comes with 3 slides and sleeps 4 people. It weighs just 13,325 pounds. MSRP at $90,015. It is available for the Zoomers low price of $57,490. Our payments as small as $395 a month with Zoomers hassle-free on-site financing. We have a rear rooftop access ladder, opposing slides in the rear. We have 2 awnings, solid step, quad steps. Let's go ahead and take a look at this pass-through storage before we go inside. As you can see, we have a rather large basement and a tailgate TV. Now let's go ahead and look inside this beautiful luxury fifth wheel. Here we are inside this big, beautiful Jayco North Point. Opposing slides in the rear living area make for a lot of space and comfort while you're traveling. We have freestanding chairs at our table. Notice the big, beautiful windows in the slide. Reclining seats and an ottoman directly across from our entertainment center with fireplace, soundbar, TV. We also have a couch back here, outlets on either end, and a USB port over here. We have overhead cabinetry and ceiling fan. This TV is telescopic, which means it will go down and be flat, creating a workstation or additional counter space. We have accent lighting, 3-burner cooktop, Fury microwave, cabinetry. We have a big, beautiful kitchen island, 2-door Whirlpool refrigerator, and a very spacious pantry, well lit, and storage up above as well. Here in this nook we have storage, outlet, and control panel. This camper is wired for solar. In the very center of our camper we have half bath with foot flush toilet, accent lighting, sink, backsplash, and mirror. More accent lighting. Here we have our bedroom with bed slide and storage space. This bedroom comes with a built-in dresser as well as a TV, AC directly above the bed. In the rear we have our full bath with foot flush toilet, shower with shower seat and skylight. We have a window seat back here. And don't forget our 2 sinks. And a little vanity here and mirrors, double mirrors. In our closet we have lots and lots of storage, hanging wardrobe, 2 lights, some beautiful mirrors on these sliding doors. Hope you've enjoyed the tour of this 2020 Jayco Pinnacle. Feel free to view photos online. Look on many other fifth wheels at zoomersrv.com. Thank you.